Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. A pretty mixed bag today as far as kind of what the chart brought. Overall, not the greatest day, but considering the context of where things started, meaning there was a big gap down this morning, and then the price actually went all the way down there. However, by the time the closing bell rang, to give credit's due, the price did work its way back upwards. But still, it's not like the price had a green day or anything like that. So a mixed bag, but overall, the price is hanging in there, and there's really two key levels that need to be focused on, or at least in my mind, that really stand out. Initial level to watch is going to be this trend line here that's been forming. And really, there's a couple ways to monitor this, I suppose. This trend line here is the one that really kind of stands out to me. But if you want, and you don't have to follow the trend line, you could just follow the purple line up there, the 50-period moving average. So that's an area there where, that's kind of, in fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing a trend line, that's fine. This quote-unquote trend line up there will draw itself for you. So you can keep an eye on really both of those if you want. But point here being, if there is going to be any sort of return back up above, the 235, 240 area, the price is really going to have to bring it to A game, because it does have a couple of key, stubborn areas of resistance to fight through. Again, first level right there at that, the trend line there, and then that next level of resistance right there. So I'm not saying the price can't make a turnaround. I'm just saying that the price is really going to have to, bring some strength if that's going to happen. And then on the flip side of things, the other key level I already kind of talked about here a little bit, but when I pointed out where the lows were, that's right here at this pink line there, which is the 200-period moving average. And just from a very basic understanding of charts, if you have that, I'm sure you have heard of the 200-period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, then from a bullish standpoint, that is, you want to see the price stay up above it. And like I said, so far so good, beautiful bounce off it, but you definitely don't want to see the price dropping below that level going forward. So those are definitely the general areas that I would keep an eye on. But yeah, not the greatest start to the week. However, it could have been a lot worse had the price just continue to fall during that first 30 minutes. So we'll see what the rest of this week brings. Still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.